Alright, Steve and I fix them. We got a 2020 Toyota Sienna minivan. It's got this maintenance light on up here. And what we want to do to erase it is you got this button underneath the speedometer changes your trip thing from odometer to trip A. Leave it on trip A. Turn your vehicle off. Then multitask. Push the button. Let me see if I can get it. So push the button down. Turn the key on. Hold the button down, and you see those lights disappearing. Bada bing, bada boom, and you are reset. Light will stay off. Maintenance is done. Easy peasy. Have a good day.